Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about Numoya.com. Is it legit or just another scam? So let's check it out right here. So Numoya is actually a brand that sells hairbrushes. So we are gonna actually check this out. So the Numoya Go Brush Pro. So the Numoya Go Brush Pro goes for 79 Australian dollars right here. And we can see this is the product. So you can get it for one, two, or three. But when we go to the Trustpilot reviews, let's check out the one stars because those are the most honest ones. People are trying to return it, missing order, trouble with return, and pictures of my hair after using the product, and it's very ugly, terrible customer service, faulty product, do not buy this product, and terrible customer service. Wish I've seen the reviews before, have not received, and it's rubbish. So I think that will explain to you why people don't really buy drop shipping products. It's because of the quality and people trying to advertise it online are just full of BS. And we have to admit that. As you can see right here, it's just so-called with engineered with this patented tech but doesn't really work. Sometimes they don't even receive the product, plus it's overpriced, and you can find this in Amazon for way cheaper. So avoid this brand. It's called Numoya, and they sell multiple products right here, but their best selling is this one. So I would avoid it and just move on with my day and look for a proper hairbrush that does the job for me. So there you go, guys. This is just another dropshipping scam, and I would avoid it.